This is not for mobile. It is to be done on a PC. Type in your search engine, Tinkercad circuits, press enter and follow the actions you see on the screen until you reach the circuit design screen. From now on, we are going to take the objects that will form your first circuit. First, we choose a battery and drag it to the place that seems best to us. Now I take a switch, which will be used to turn a light bulb on and off. You will see that the switch has 3 connections, although we will only use 2. Next, I choose a light bulb and drag it to the place I want. Now we need wires to connect each of the elements of the circuit. I try to keep the paths straight and at right angles. If something does not look right, I can always adjust it. The battery pushes the free electrons, and when I close the circuit with the switch, the light bulb turns on. Now it's your turn. Build the circuit yourself. Drag the components, connect the wires, and try. Don't rush. Enjoy the process. When the light bulb turns on, it's not just electricity, it's because you did it.